Hi girls, so I know I've been saying I'm going to do this for ages, but I just thought I'm going to do it now, like 2 months later. I'm going to do my tan routine. I went back to my original OG tan, which was the sosu dripping gold, as you can see. Let me get that. I'll be taking just a flat foundation brush, nice clean one, and the tan, give it a bit of a shake. And then, oh, I always start with the neck and the like up here, because I feel like tan never really goes as dark up here, and that's why I use the foundation brush to apply it. So just gonna put a little bit on the brush, and then take the mirror, put this out of my face, and just in circular motions, just like you would really foundation, just blend it into the neck. If you prefer to do this with a mitt, you can. It's just, I think you get a darker tan when you apply it with a brush, because you can already see the skin difference. Like obviously tomorrow I'm going to wake up and I'm going to wash it off, but if you're like not washing it off, I wouldn't recommend doing it this way, because you don't want to have a red neck, like literally, like you don't want your neck to be proper red. So I just apply it with a foundation brush because I know I'm going to wash it off. So now that I'm happy that my neck is blended out, I'm going to move on to my chest area. So putting it onto my collarbones and blending outwards, and I want to more so blend down, so I'm not putting too much product on my neck. You can kind of see now that I've blended it out, like what like the kind of lightest the tan will be. So this is the ultra dark, so I didn't really expect any less. But you see with the BBL tan, it was green, it wasn't nice, it wasn't a nice kind of tone. This kind of goes a lot better with my foundations anyway, because I feel like foundations kind of have a pinky kind of red undertone anyway naturally, whether the other one has kind of a greeny undertone. So foundations are always different, like they look red on the face, they can look red on the face sometimes depending on the foundation, but that's just what I feel. So now I'm going to go ahead and just get my mitt. I'll be taking, probably a bit too, oh well, right, okay, doesn't matter. So I'm going to be just putting out and circular motions. That's the initial difference. That's tan. Okay, life moves on, right? So a little pump on the mitt. Gonna decant that and just get rid of a bit, and then I'm gonna just circular motions all around my hand and palm. So I've just gone and done my face, and that's the finished tan look. I'll show you in the morning anyway, to show you what it turned out like. Morning guys, so I'm just waking out, so you can see what the tan is really like for yourself. It's nice and even, it's not really dark, which is okay with me, you know. My face is obviously dark because I applied it with a brush, but I'm gonna be, obviously I haven't cleaned my face or anything. You can see under here, obviously, you know, when you yawn and stuff and you have like tears, that's basically just what that is. But overall I'm very happy with it. So I'm gonna go have a shower now and maybe do a bit more on my neck. So this is the final tan. I look crazy, don't mind me, just woke up, but I'm very happy with it. It's nice and even around the place. My hands aren't too dark. My legs are a little bit tangled, but who cares at the end of the day. But that's just just showing you guys so you know for yourself whether it's for you, it's not for you, but I'm happy with it. I just went and applied a little bit more on my neck just to develop over the day, and then later on I'll just get it off a little bit with, I'll just wash it off later on. So I hope you enjoyed this tan tutorial. If it didn't really help you, don't worry, there should be other ones out there that might suit you better. Hey guys, just want to say thanks for watching. I didn't record the little end to that video with the tan, but thanks. This is kind of it now, a few days later. Obviously I've had showers and stuff, so sorry, you know, just no explanation really, but it's nice and dark. Ooh. So yeah, if I feel like after a few days it kind of gets a little bit darker, but that's just personally me. I don't know if anyone else finds that. But yeah, so thanks guys, see you soon.